When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank bros, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You selling work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, making give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make it.
Alright, we out here in the yams. We got Steezy, we got Ryan, and then David's in the back.
Shut your bitch ass, bro.
You shut up. I act like I know where I'm going, but I don't. About to go meet up with some people from Miami, and then about to go to South Beach. This way? Wow, they got matching shirts on. Catch me in traffic apparel. You know, Steezy out here lacking. No.
What?
Oh, he got the Steezy Filming shirt on. We all got Miami colors on. I just realized that. Oh. This way. Oh. Wrong way. It is a little cold. Notice I took every wrong turn so far. Am I supposed to be? Fuck.
Boy. What's up,
Yo.
Yo! Wake up, boy.
You guys came in train now.
True. Alright, so now we about to hit up, I guess it's called Brickell. Miami D. Oh. Oh. I don't know where I'm going. I can't leave because I don't know where I'm going. Oh.
Up on that.